burning desire, not ordinary desire. It should become a burning desire. Otherwise, there is no use. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Continuous question. You may do your own work with your hands. Still, you should ask, who am I? While doing, inquire yourself. Don't think it is not possible. It is possible. While doing your own work with our own hands, your mind should be busy with this question. Just like a hunger desire, burning desire. Otherwise, there is no use. If there is burning desire, you may think, my work may stop if it becomes a burning desire. No, your work will never stop with this burning question. Work will go on continuously. Ishvara is doing with our body all the work, not you. Because of this body bondage, you are thinking that you are doing. No. Surely no. No doubt. Surely no. Already your body is doing so many works without your permission. Your heart is beating without your permission. Your lungs are inhaling and exhaling without your permission. Every blood cell is going its own duty without your permission. Is it your blood cell or not? It is your own blood cell. It is going without your permission. Similarly, without your permission, your body is doing. You may permit it or not. It is out of question. Your body will do what Ishvara destined. Your body will move according to your destination, not according to your will, not according to your permission. All our bodies are doing so many works, but the energy of the Ishvara, by the will of the Ishvara, not by our will. If there is no doership, then there will be no headache. from early morning to late evening, always you are thinking that I am doing this, I am doing this, I am doing this. What are you doing? Your body is doing, you are not doing. You are applying our mind there. Body identification is the most dangerous sinner. It is the first sin. If you go deep into your heart, by inquiring, who am I? Who am I? Always try to be there at that I-ness. The attention of your mind should be there. Where? Who am I? I-ness. What is this I? What is its form? Is it there or not? If it is there, look at it. Do your work. But attention should be at our heart. Why heart? The birthplace of this I-ness is heart. Your own I-ness. Look at it. Always look at it. At first, it may be difficult. If you practice it, it is not difficult. Not only that, it gives pleasure to you. Your real nature, your real form, formless form, egolessness. Your mind should go there and stay there. Where? A feeling of I-ness. I. Who am I? Where am I? How am I? It is difficult until it touches you. We cannot touch it. But it can catch our mind. This I-ness, we cannot touch it. We cannot see it with our eyes. We cannot hear it, its voice, with our ears. We have 5 senses. It cannot be caught by our 5 senses. If you practice, who am I? by the grace of Lord Arunachala Ramana, it will reveal to you. Only if you practice it. But here is one thing, what is that? You can never catch it with all our efforts, but it can catch you. You cannot catch it by all means, but by its grace it can catch you.